Hello, I'm Doug Bartow. I'm Strategic Marketing Manager for Analog Devices, and I'm here today at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. I wanted to show you today the optical HDMI cable interface we call Draco. This is our existing design, the Draco 3, that uses optical transceivers that are SFP modules. They plug in directly to the board and provide very high performance. In excess of 1 kilometer optical cable can be used with this system. Our latest design, which is the Draco III-X, incorporates the latest optical transceivers from our partner Hoya Xponent. These transceivers can be mounted directly to the PC board for a significant reduction not only in size, but more importantly, a significant reduction in cost for the bill of materials. Same performance, cable lengths in excess of a kilometer. We think most of the applications will be in the 30 to 50 meter range, but again, this meets some very important cost goals that our customers have. I also would like to draw your attention over here to a advance in the optical fiber that can be used with our Draco system. This is from our partner Corning, who has developed the clear curve optical fiber, which can now be stapled to a 2x4 stud wall, which is commonly found in installations within a home. So home theaters can now be installed very easily, installing optical cable, and we think it offers no compromise in performance, and again, the ease of installation is a significant improvement. So these are some advancements we've made in our optical HDMI cable reference design called Draco. Thank you for listening.